Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Thomas of the Sales Tax Sisters and Thomas PC with your weekly tax tip. Today we're going to talk about exemptions a little bit. We've already talked about them in previous videos, but one thing that we did not mention necessarily in much detail were sales tax exemptions based on how something is used. Each jurisdiction carves out exemptions relating to how certain items are used. For example, in Texas, there are numerous exemptions related to manufacturers. They can buy certain things used in the manufacturing process tax-free, but they have to meet the definition of a manufacturer here. The same thing applies to various other jurisdictions. There are a lot of carve-outs for manufacturers across the United States because, let's be honest, manufacturing usually means a lot of money and a lot of jobs, and taxing authorities in states want manufacturers in their jurisdictions. So they have that little carrot of, if you are a manufacturer here, there are certain carve-outs relating to equipment and various different goods, energy in some instances, where you will not have to pay sales tax. As always, exemptions are very, very narrowly construed, and they vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. So if you or your client might fall into the category of a manufacturer or think certain things are exempt, you have to make sure that it fits the taxing authorities' criteria before you go around buying things tax-free. And with that, this is the end of your tax tip. If you liked it, please thumb us up. Also, you can share the video. Subscribe. We love subscribers. And follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, all the other things. We also have a monthly newsletter. All the information is going to be in the description box. And I'll see you next time.